Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Sitekit in WordPress website. Whether you're a total beginner exploring WordPress for the first time or a seasoned website owner with years of experience, Google Sitekit is a game-changing tool that can revolutionize the way you manage and optimize your site. This plugin is not just another tool in your WordPress toolbox. It's a comprehensive solution designed to streamline your workflow and empower you with powerful insights to help your website succeed. So, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start using Sitekit to its fullest potential and elevate your website to new heights. Let's dive in. To begin, let's log into your WordPress website and access the dashboard. For those unfamiliar, the WordPress dashboard is your website's control panel, a central hub where you can perform all the essential tasks to build, customize, and maintain your site. From managing content and themes to configuring plugins and settings, the dashboard is where all the behind-the-scenes action takes place. Today, we'll focus on installing and configuring Google Sitekit, a plugin that simplifies the often complex process of connecting your site to Google's ecosystem of tools. Google Sitekit is a plugin designed and developed by Google itself, and it's a must-have for anyone serious about growing their website. With this plugin, you can easily integrate tools like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google AdSense, and page speed insights directly into your WordPress dashboard. Instead of juggling multiple accounts, dashboards, and settings, Sitekit brings everything together in one place, making it incredibly convenient. Whether you want to understand how visitors interact with your site, optimize your site's speed and performance, or even start earning revenue through ads, Sitekit has you covered. Now, let's get started with the installation process. Head over to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Plugins are what make WordPress so versatile. They add functionality to your site without requiring advanced coding knowledge. To install Sitekit, locate the Plugins option in the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on Add New to access the plugin repository. This is where you'll find thousands of free and premium plugins designed to enhance your site's capabilities. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, look for the search bar in the top right corner. In the search bar, type Sitekit or Google Sitekit. The plugin you're looking for is officially called Sitekit by Google. You'll recognize it by its developer, Google, and the overwhelming number of positive reviews and active installations. In fact, this plugin has been downloaded and used by millions of WordPress users worldwide, which speaks volumes about its reliability and effectiveness. When you've found the plugin, click the Install Now button. This will begin the installation process, which typically takes just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Activate button. Click it to enable the plugin on your website. Activating the plugin is an essential step, as it ensures that Sitekit's features are ready to use. You'll also notice a new tab or section labeled Sitekit in your dashboard menu. This is where you'll manage all the tools and data provided by the plugin. The next step is to set up Sitekit, and I promise it's a breeze. Google has designed the setup process to be as simple and user-friendly as possible. Click on the Sitekit tab in your dashboard to launch the setup wizard. The wizard will guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. This is necessary to link your WordPress website to Google's tools and services. Don't worry, Google takes security seriously, so your data and privacy are protected throughout the process. Once signed in, the wizard will ask you to grant permissions. These permissions allow Sitekit to access your site's data, such as analytics, search performance, and monetization metrics. You'll also be asked to verify your website ownership. If you've previously connected your site to Google Search Console, this step is even quicker. After verification, you'll link your Google account to Sitekit and enable data integration. This step ensures that all the tools within SiteKit work seamlessly together, giving you access to a powerful suite of features. Now that SiteKit is set up, let's explore some of the key features that make it so indispensable. One of the biggest advantages of SiteKit is its ability to integrate Google Analytics into your WordPress dashboard. Analytics is essential for understanding how people interact with your site. It provides detailed insights into visitor behavior, including traffic sources, page views, bounce rates, and session durations. With SiteKit, all of this information is displayed in a user-friendly format, making it easy to analyze and act on the data. Another standout feature is its integration with Google Search Console. This tool is invaluable for monitoring your site's presence in search results. Search Console provides insights into how your site ranks for various keywords, which pages are performing best, and what search queries are driving traffic to your site. By having this data directly within your WordPress dashboard, you can refine your SEO strategy, optimize content, and improve your rankings without ever leaving your site. For those focused on improving site speed, SiteKit's integration with PageSpeed Insights is a game changer. This tool provides detailed performance metrics such as largest contentful paint, LCP, total blocking time, TBT, and cumulative layout shift, CLS. These metrics are part of Google's core Web Vitals, which are critical for delivering a great user experience and achieving higher search engine rankings. SiteKit not only shows you these metrics, but also provides actionable recommendations for improving them. If monetization is part of your strategy, SiteKit makes it incredibly easy to get started with Google AdSense. Once your AdSense account is set up and linked, you can start displaying ads on your site to earn revenue. The plugin even lets you customize ad placements and manage automated ads, so you can focus on creating content while SiteKit handles the monetization. In summary, Google SiteKit is a comprehensive solution for WordPress users. It combines analytics, SEO, performance optimization, and monetization tools into a single, user-friendly plugin. By eliminating the need for multiple third-party tools, SiteKit saves you time and simplifies your workflow. Best of all, it's completely free, making it accessible to anyone who wants to improve their website's performance, regardless of budget or technical expertise. Thank you for watching.